you doing, Guy?
I'm changing out the plate for the cedar. This one's for the arugula. This one's for the peas.
Nice.
Yeah. A few extra arugula seeds in there. That's it, easy money. Action.
Hey guys, it's April 23rd and today's project is onion starts. I ordered these from Renee's Garden in California and in January, and now it's time to plant them. Guy spent all week amending all the rows, getting some more plants, more seeds in the ground. We have peas, radishes, arugula, onions, seeds, carrot seeds, and beets so far in the ground. So these are the onion starts. We had great luck with them last year. They look so crazy. It's amazing that that is going to turn into a glorious little crop of onions. So cool. Yeah, last year's were amazing. So
Action.
hey guys, Heather here from Happy Goat Farm. It's May 22nd. It's a big day for us. We finally have the greenhouse fully planted, and we're about to have the caterpillar tunnel fully planted. And we're doing that by transplanting these tomatoes. Last year we planted tomatoes on the outer rows in here. This year no tomatoes, no cucumbers in the greenhouse. We're moving it over to the caterpillar tunnel. So these are all volunteers. So these all came from whatever seeds were left from last year. So they're absolutely ready to be moved over. This was not the plan, but I think it might even work out better than the plan. So I'm just gonna dig under them, lift up the roots, and et voila. And they separate super easy. They're ready to go, and you want to plant them in the ground all the way up to their furry little, like up to this first set of leaves is actually fine, but we'll show you in there.
Take 3. Action.
Alright, so we are in the caterpillar tunnel. This is phase 2 of Operation Move the Tomato Plants. So this is the second year growing in the caterpillar tunnel. Last year on this row we tried broccoli raw, but I planted it too late. So this hopefully will be the first successful year of a crop in this row. Guy just added some garden soil, organic garden soil, a little bone meal, a little chicken manure, the pelleted kind, and some compost. He just raked it all in, twisted it in with the, what's it called? Weasel. The weasel. And then I'm just spacing them by using this tray. I actually use this a lot. I'll either go this way or this way. And so I just went through and I marked there where I wanted them to go, and there should be 23 plants when I'm done. So all right, here we are with the corn rows, the 4 rows behind the greenhouse. So this year we're going to do corn. The plan was for this whole thing to be corn, but I think we're going to go with this section. This is a 50-foot row, so I think we're going to go with this section for corn and this section for pumpkins. So this was arugula, top layer raked off. This was covered with a black plastic all winter. So we just went through with this little weasel, this garden weasel, and it was a bear. That was a pain in the butt. And it's kind of sticky soil, so we added some vermiculite for texture, added a little bit of garden soil, and now we're going to go in with some bone meal and fertilizer. All right, that's what we got going on today.